How to use Claude Code with Visual Studio. Now, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can download and install or use Claude Code by using Visual Studio. So, the very first thing that you have to do first is to make sure that you have both downloaded onto your PC. So, you're going to have to download Claude AI separately and as well as Visual Studio. Now, once you have both of these, all you have to do next is to log into the same account, and next is to download and install Claude Code. So from your Visual Studio, all I have to do here is to go into this box. This is going to be Extensions tab, and then simply type in Claude Code. You're going to be seeing a lot of results here, but you can actually go with the first one. So as you can see, there is an install option. So you just have to click on install and then make sure to tap this or tick this auto update button so you will not miss out any additional features that Claude Code has for Visual Studio. And there you have it. That's how you use Claude Code into Visual Studio.